Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to make corn pulao. Start off by soaking 1 cup of basmati rice with enough water. Soak this for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, grind 1.5 cups of coriander leaves, 1 cup mint leaves, 3 red chillies, 4 green chillies, 5 cloves of garlic, about an inch of ginger, half cup of fresh grated coconut, quarter teaspoon garam masala, add a little bit water, grind to a smooth paste. Next, heat a pressure cooker and add 3 tablespoons of ghee, add in 2 cloves, 3 cardamoms, 1 inch cinnamon, 1 bay leaf. Fry this for about a minute. Next, add in finely chopped onion and fry well until the onions turn transparent. Now add in the previously ground paste and continue to fry until the oil separates. Next, add 2.5 cups of sweet corn. Combine well. 1 cup of the soaked and drained rice. Give it a good stir. Now pour 2 cups of water. The required amount of salt. Mix this well and bring it to a boil. Taste this water and adjust the salt and spice levels. Pressure cook this for 1 whistle. Once the pressure is released, fluff the rice gently with a fork. Serve hot corn pulao with your favorite raita or plain gravy.